Which is the function of the contact store component in the Avaya Contact Center Select, ACCS, solution? Select 1. Option A. It is responsible for pulling user updates to the IP office server. Option B. It is responsible for configuring sample pre-configured data for the solution. Option C. It provides secure SIP trunking and secure remote access to IP office. D. It is used to store all call recordings retrieved out of the IP office voicemail pro system. The correct answer is option A. Which are integrations that currently function within Avaya Contact Center Select, ACCS. Select 2, IP Office, Server Edition, SE. Option A. Avaya IQ Reporting. Option B. Avaya Session Manager. Option C. Avaya Aura Communication Manager. Option D. IP Office 500 v2. E. Avaya CS 1000. The correct answer is option B, D. Which statements speak to the value of Avaya Contact Center Select? Select 2. Option A. It is an enterprise-class solution that offers simplicity without compromise, for contact centers with 30 to 250 agents that address the entire customer lifecycle. Option B. It offers an optimized template proposal for the mid-market which is scalable up to the enterprise market, and provides one investment stream across all market segments. Option C. It is a full-featured solution that delivers simplicity and exceptional value for contact centers with up to 100 agents focused primarily on support. The correct answer is option B, C. Which are multi-channel capabilities of Avaya Contact Center Select, ACCS? Select 5. Option A. Email. Option B. Scan documents. Option C. Web chat defax. Option D. Video. Option E. Short message service, SMS. The correct answer is option A, B, C, E.